Hi, I'm the Grow Boss. This is my hydro store. And do you know what the number one have you ever hydro question we get here? The number one. You can add up all the other have you ever hydros together, and they might equal the number one have you ever hydro question you guys ask. Ready? Have you ever heard about a nutrient deficiency caused by pH lockout? And I say yes, I have heard of that. And if your answer is yes to that question, if you've ever heard that a nutrient deficiency is caused by pH lockout, or you've ever told anybody that their nutrient deficiency was caused by pH lockout, I 100% guarantee you that's not it. And here's why. Let's say you have a nutrient deficiency. Okay, and people are going to tell you, oh, you should switch from 6.1 to 6.2 or 6.3 because you've got a pH lockout that's causing your nutrient deficiency. But here's the problem with that. And I sell a lot of this, so I'm not discouraging you from buying it, but here's the problem with nutrient deficiency caused by pH lockout. If your plant was so sensitive, if your cannabis plant was so sensitive that changing from 6.1 to 6.3 solved the problem, then don't you think changing 6 to 6.3 would cause a problem with 6.1? My point is this. There is no nutrient deficiency from pH lockout. That's not the point at all. That is not it. And if you want to know what is killing your plants, well, you can go to my website, thegrowboss.com. You can stop in my store, Henderson Hydroponics. You can catch us live on the weekend webcast, Saturdays 10 a.m. on YouTube. You could post questions on Grow Boss Facebook account. This is Kitty Mo. I'm the Grow Boss, and this is Have You Ever Hydro?